doing. I'm making pretzels.
Today I will find some geocaches, but to do that I need truck keys. Where did they go? Found them. Now to the truck over there. There was actually an event yesterday that I was planning to go to, but there were too many people on vacation at work, and the event was at the same time as work, so couldn't make it to the event. The caches I'm going to now were posted for the event as like prizes. People would find out about them before everybody else. So they've already been found, so I'm not going to get first to find, but it's like 5 or 6 new ones, which I can get, so I will go get them. Okay, so the first one I attempt, turns out it's actually a traveling cache, so it's not really here. On to the next one. Okay, we're almost to the point, but I recognize this bridge from another one that I did, and actually it started from the other side, and I came this way towards it. But it was down in this corner, down here. Let's see. See, there's, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a film canister right there. And this is the one that I actually found before, called Bridge to Books, because there's a bridge and there's a library somewhere over there. But look, there's a new container, a bigger one, and that's the actual one that I'm going to now. So I'm not sure how that happened to have two right here within a foot of each other, but oh well. Next. Alright, I'm on the side of the road on this nice little path here, and I'm coming up to the next one. So here's the path. Pretty cool little place. It's like 70 feet away. Somewhere around here. Could be in this wall, maybe. Could be in this plant. Could be this thing. No, that's a real sprinkler. Okay, it's somewhere in this picture. Can you see it? There it is. I am at another one, which I will look for soon. Right next to this cement place. Should be pretty close. Well, I will start looking around, I guess. This one is actually hidden pretty well. I'll show you where it was if you want. So there's trees around, lots of plants, a wall. But can you guess where it was? Yep. It was in there. You had to pull this out to get in there, but I mean, it blends really well. It's hard to, I mean, you can kind of see it, but nobody's gonna just stumble across it. So, cool. I think that's 3, but I'm going back home now. See you later.
Except I failed at them.
How?
Look how dark they are, and they're all super salty, and they all stuck to it because I didn't spray.
Don't be a professional pretzelist.
I'm not.
Notice my oil light coming on in my truck, so I'm going to... Why did I do that? Face the camera right for the sun. It's not very good for it. There it is. Okay, well I put in 1 quart, but it's still too low. So, I'll have to get more at some point. Five 888.8 miles. Hi. This is how the trucks are supposed to be parked. That is a parking fail. See, all these guys are right. And then you get to this guy over here. Parking fail. That's all good. I think that's it.